Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript advanced types. In that first one is union types. Union types allows a variable to have more than one type. Now I am going to show you the example. Let union var. Now if I run this, see I am getting 10. Now if I run this, next we are going to see about insert intersection types. Intersection types combines multiple types into one type. Let obj if I save this and if I run, see I'm getting first 1 and second is 2. Next, type guard. Type guards are used to narrow down the type of variable within a conditional block. For that, the code function add x of string number. Here we want to return x dot concat of y. Same like that. Just we want to change this to string 2. Else it should throw new error. And then I want to console log add of 5 comma 3 console log add of hello comma empty. If I save this and if I run, see I'm getting 8 and hello. Like this type guard will work. Next we are going to see about type alias. Type alias allows you to create custom names for types. For that, type name equal to string type age equal to number. Let name equal to John. Let age equal to 30. Console.log of name comma age. Now if I save this, see I am getting name as John and age as 30. Next we are going to see about type assertions. Type assertions are a way to tell the compiler, trust me, I know what I am doing. For that, let any message any TypeScript let message length number equal to any message as string dot length and then console.log message length. If I save this and if I run, see I am getting 18. It is full of, it has 18 characters. Next we are going to see about not null assertion operator. The not null assertion operator is used to assert that a value is not null are undefined. For that, let element HTML element or null equal to document dot get element by id app element not inner HTML equal to hello TypeScript. Like this, we want to write non-null assertion operator. Next, we are going to see about discriminated unions. Discriminated unions are a pattern that enables TypeScript to narrow down the possible types of an object based on a common property. For that, interface and then the function get area switch shape dot kind if the case is circle, then return math dot by into shape dot radius into 2. If case is square, then return shape dot side length into 2. Let circle equal to kind CA or CLE circle and the radius is 5. Console log circle. If I save this, I'm sorry, I want to give get area circle. If I save this, see I'm getting the area of a circle. Next we are going to see about conditional types. Conditional types allows the definition of types that depends on type relationships. For that type by non-nullable const variable t0 t0 variable t1 equal to 10. Console log console.log variable t1. If I save this and if I run, see I am getting 10 and hello. Like this the conditional type will work. Understanding these advanced TypeScript types and concept is essential for writing complex and type-safe TypeScript code. They allows you to create more flexible and maintainable code base. Thank you.